Hi everyone, this is Felisa here with Homebody to see how I'm going to create this glamorous fall floor arrangement. Just keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to be trying to create myself a glam fall floral. So us glam girls have a problem now because I can't seem to find fall items with exactly my style of fall items, especially when it comes to floral pieces and vases and things like that. So what I have decided to do is I have this brush. This is a bathroom container and it has a glass top to it, and here it is here, and it was $12.99. I bought it out of Home Goods, $12.99. And of course, this is going to be one of my decor pieces that I'm going to be using for multiple purposes. But for the fall, I want to use this as a flower pot, a flower vase. And so my intentions are to take the florals out of here and place them in here. And I already know it's going to be cute because I can get an idea of just looking at it from it being on the side. So now, I'm not going to use this for this purpose all the time, just for the fall. So, I'm going to I purchased this from Home Goods. I love the floral arrangement. I'm just not feeling the vase, and I don't feel like painting it or doing anything like that. I just want to take the floral out of here and put it in this vase so that I can have a glam floral plant. So what I've done is I figured out something that I can cut it with. So I've started cutting that with these. These are some shears that I use to trim my trees outside, and it's working just fine cutting here. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the rest of this and see how I can get my floral to go in this bling container. Isn't it cute? Look at all that bling. So basically all I'm doing here is yeah, you can see that. So basically all I'm going to do here is just take this and just continue to cut. You can't really see that. Just take this and continue to cut this tin. So all I'm doing is just cutting here. Just continue to. Okay guys, so basically I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just cutting this tin. I'm cutting this tin, getting it out of my way. And once I cut so much of it, I'm going to bend it. Be careful because this tin can actually, hope you can see that. It can actually stick you or cut you, as a matter of fact. So then I'm just going to turn back around here and just cut some more. Whoops. Just gonna cut some more. So I'm gonna cut more. Just take this and bend it over. And once I have this bent over, and voila! So now my little piece is out of here. So that's all I need, is this little piece here. So then, I'm just gonna figure out what's gonna be the front. So I want this to be the front of my floral. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it in here. You know, I have to put some glam in there, so I'm just gonna find some places to stick my glam pieces. You're probably saying, Felisa, that is enough. And no, it's not enough for me. Remember, I'm team too much, right? So I'm gonna stick this one in here. I know that, well, that's not. Stick it in. And then just take this around and, you know, like drape it. Yeah. This. So now I'm all done. I have my second Glam floral arrangement and I am loving it. Now let me show you guys how I would style this arrangement. Okay, so I have them all done here and I have both of them together along with my Z Gallery pumpkins and gourds. And I think that looks really, really super, super glam, right? I am so loving that. I love the fact that I added my little glam touch to the actual arrangement itself. And so I have my pumpkins, my pear, apples, and stuff here on my buffet in my kitchen.